Alright guys, welcome back to another video. We are going to download a new piece of software in this tutorial called a Python IDE. It's a last piece of software that we need to install. Is this played on IDE? Now it doesn't matter what IDE you choose, but this is my favorite. It's called PyCharm. And in order to get this is a website right here, jetbrains.com/PyCharm. Go ahead and click get PyCharm. And I actually have the professional edition. I just use it all the time. But if you click download, then what it's going to do, just like before, going to give you downloads this file right here. Now double click this and let's see if I remember how to install it. Yes, you can have permission. Next, I agree. Next, and might to change anything, then you can just change it in the program. But for now just stick with defaults. See you later window and double click it and see what we got now. Okay, what's this say? You can import sentence 4 in previous version, and nope. This is my first time installing, so just click OK. And of course if you don't have a license key yet, then you just have a 30-day free trial. But so again, I don't have a license key, not for this computer. Of course, if you have a license key, if you bought the full version, then you can enter it here. However, we can just choose evaluate free for 30 days to see if we like this. I'd first we read this real quick. Okay, I read it. I read it, trust me. Now pretty sweet. Alright, so in order to start using this side, of course you need to create a new project, and a project is pretty much where all of your files are stored. So the project name for this is just going to be like I'm at PJ era. And whenever you type in your project name, it automatically fills in the location right here. So don't change them like manually. And the project type, it can just be an empty project for now, and everything else is good. Whenever you download this IDE, it automatically finds your interpreter, which is pretty much on Python. The very first thing we downloaded in the first video, so that's what this is. What we need to do is right click our project name, mine's PJ era, and we are going to write new Python file. So our project can have a bunch of different files. You can even have like text files in it, images, if we are working with images. But for right now, let's create a basic Python file. And I'm just going to name this, first name it anything you want. And also the extension for Python files are .py. So make sure you have Python file selected, and also name it .py. Alright, so delete anything out of your Python file. And let's just run a simple command. Let's just print something out. So print, we already know how to use this. In here, put a string like first program. Results are going to pop up in this little command window down here. So whenever you change something else like and hit run, your new results are going to pop up down here. So that way you can work on all your stuff up here. Your files are on the left and the results are on the bottom. Now whenever you run it for the first time, you do have to right click it and hit run. But any time after that, you can just click this button or hit shift F10. But I just click this button, it's a little bit easier, and that runs your entire project. So now that you have a sweet IDE, we can now actually start making some cool programs. So thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.